How to delete Brawl Stars account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete your Brawl Stars account. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about our latest updates. On that note, let's begin. So here it is your home screen of Brawl Stars, and in order to delete your account, you first have to be connected to your Supercell ID. So from here, what you want to do is tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner, and from here you just tap on settings. Once your settings is open, you will see help and support right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on help and support, it should look something like this. So here is the support right here. Now what you have to do here is go ahead and tap on the chat option. So tap on help and support again, tap on this chat option at the top right, and tap on contact us. So here it will give you different options like to request delete or data. So you just tap on request or delete my data, and after that you just give confirmation to delete my data, and after that it will ask you to confirm your confirmation, and once you do that you should confirm that you want to delete your account. So after that your account should be deleted. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.